What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Dogecoin and what I think it's going to do in the short term as well as the bigger picture. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. All right, so we're going to start off here on the smaller time frame and work our way up to the bigger time frame. So here on the 6-hour time frame, we see a very clear Elliott wave structure. We have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, and a clear ABC correction back down to support. Now that support level is the 618 Fibonacci. As you can see, if we measure from the bottom to the top, we landed onto the 618, which is also known as the golden pocket or the golden ratio. So this is a pretty common place for wave C to stop and for a reversal to start in this market. Now I personally believe we will see a strong reversal here on Dogecoin on the 6-hour time frame, all the way up to a new local high up above our top here at the top of wave 5. So it should be a pretty quick recovery here all the way back up to a new local high. So the 6-hour looks very good here, and I do believe we will see a good recovery coming for Dogecoin. So now let's take a look at the 12-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we do have a triangle pattern here on Doge. We broke out of that triangle and now we're coming back down and testing support. So it's pretty common when you have a trading pattern like this for the market to break out and come back down to support before pushing higher. So about 50% of the time the market will do a breakout retest, and that's exactly what we see here with Dogecoin. So the 12-hour looks very good here, and I believe we will see more upside on this time frame, taking us up through not only our local resistance here, but also our local resistance here. So now let's talk a little bit about the daily candlesticks. As you guys can see, we also have a clear Elliott wave count here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. And an ABC correction down. Now we've started to recover a little bit after that ABC correction. As you can see, the market is making higher highs and higher lows, and we're starting to form an uptrend here on Doge. So based on this Elliott wave cycle, I do believe we will see a strong recovery here all the way up to a new local high up above 48 cents. And a big vertical move coming for Dogecoin as we start to go up for wave 3 here on the daily candlesticks. So all of this right here becomes a wave 1 and a wave 2 and a bigger picture Elliott wave getting ready for a wave 3, which means we're going to have a very vertical move here as wave 3 is the most parabolic and the most vertical in the entire Elliott wave set. At least most of the time, because sometimes wave 5 can be extended and be bigger than wave 3. So watch for a big move coming here on Dogecoin that will take us up above our local resistance here at 47 cents and all the way up for a wave 3 and a lot more upside coming in the near future. So now let's talk a little bit about the bigger picture. We do have a very clear Elliott wave count here in the bigger picture. We have a huge ABC correction right here. The market has started to make higher highs and higher lows, and now I'm expecting a big vertical move in the bigger picture. In fact, Dogecoin looks exactly like Bitcoin back in the day. We have Bitcoin over here on the right and Dogecoin over here on the left. And you can see the same ABC correction over here on Bitcoin back in the day that recently happened over here on Dogecoin. And you can see Bitcoin made higher highs and higher lows on its way up to a new all-time high, and it did a big rounded bottom, and I'm expecting the same thing coming over here on Dogecoin. We've already started to see some of those higher highs and higher lows and starting to form a bit of a rounded bottom structure here. And I believe Dogecoin will go vertical all the way to the moon, just in the same way that Bitcoin did over here on the right. So watch for a big vertical move coming for Dogecoin all the way up to a new all-time high and a huge rounded bottom and a very profitable move coming for this coin. And if you look at how high Bitcoin went super high. It went all the way to the moon, blowing people away in a huge parabolic run. And I firmly believe that's exactly what's coming for Dogecoin here in the bigger picture. Now, I already know what some of you guys are saying. Isn't Dogecoin a meme coin? Isn't it done and over with? Didn't it pump in 2021, but now it's dead? Well, go check out the 30-day monthly volume rankings for Dogecoin. Dogecoin did $85 billion in monthly trading volume. So that puts Dogecoin at higher volume than Chainlink, than Tron, than Pepe, than Litecoin, than all of these different coins. Now, I do like all of those coins, but I'm just saying don't underestimate Dogecoin. This thing has a massive amount of trading volume. There's a lot of people playing this coin, a lot of big investors putting money into this, and a lot of reasons to be bullish on it in the bigger picture. And also in the shorter time frames as well, because Dogecoin looks very bullish on the smaller time frames. Now, Dogecoin going over $1 is pretty much guaranteed, but I do believe it's going to go a lot higher than $1. This thing could easily hit $2, $3, $5. It's even possible for Dogecoin to hit over $5 per coin. So again, don't underestimate Dogecoin. Big things are coming for this coin. I'm very excited about it, and I believe it's one of the best setups you can buy. It's got a lot of trading volume. There's a huge community behind it, and it's pretty much a guaranteed play, and you're going to have a huge return on your investment buying Dogecoin. As far as the rest of crypto goes, the total crypto market cap is looking very bullish. So get ready for more upside coming in crypto. I know there was a little bit of a correction here, but we landed back onto support. We're starting to go up, and I firmly believe that we're getting ready for another big push up here in the total crypto market cap. As you guys can see, we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. And an ABC correction down here, and we're starting to recover off of support right here. So I believe we're going to see more upside on the total crypto market cap all the way to a new all-time high. So that means all of your favorite altcoins and Bitcoin will be going higher here, and you will see more profit in your portfolios very soon. So yeah, get ready for a big pump coming in crypto. I'm very excited about what's coming. I bought more Dogecoin yesterday, actually, and I believe big things are coming for crypto. So yeah, that's my Dogecoin update. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, stay profitable out there.